How to nest multiple audio tracks. To get started, I added some audio to my timeline and I want to nest them. Start by going to Project Panel and click on New button and then select Adjustment Layer. The default setting is OK. Now drag and drop Adjustment Layer into your timeline and change its length so it matches the longest audio. Now select all your audio and hold down the Shift key, and select Adjustment Layer as well. Then right-click on one of them and select Nest. Choose a name if you want, and hit OK. Now a nested sequence is added to the project. In Timeline, select all the audios and nested sequence and press Delete. Drag and drop nested sequence into your timeline and then hold down the Alt key to only select the video part and delete it. You can double-click on nested audio to open it and change it at any time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.